In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the collection page in Shopify. Whether you're running a clothing store or any kind of shop, this is going to help you organize your products beautifully and make sure your store is easier for customers to browse. But first, if you haven't signed into Shopify yet, check out the link in the description to get the $1 per month for 3 months promo. It's a great deal to get your store up and running without spending too much right away. So to start, we'll head over to the products tab and click on collections. So this is where all your product groups are managed. So we're going to create a new collection first. So go ahead and click create collection. And now let's give it a title. So for this example, I'll type in women's collection. Once that's in, you can also add an image for your collection. So this image will appear on your storefront, so make sure to choose something eye-catching and on brand. So I'm going to add one here real quick. There's also a section for a description, but this is optional, but it helps explain what the collection is about. So you can type anything here that describes your product range or theme, but for now I'll leave it at blank and keep everything at default settings. Now let's scroll down to the collection type section. So you'll see here two options, manual and smart. So for this tutorial, we're going with manual, which means we choose the products ourselves. Next, we'll add products to the collection, so you can either search for them or just click browse, which I'm about to do now. Then pick any product that you want to include. So just for example, I'll select a few and click add. So on the right side of the screen, there's an option for theme template. So I'll leave this on women's for now. And finally, let's click save at the top right or at the bottom. And just like that, our collection is created. Now that we have a new collection, let's make sure it's easy for customers to find by adding it to the main menu. So head over to the left panel and click on content, then click menu. And you can see here, main menu, let's click that. So you'll see your current menu items listed here. So let's add a new one by clicking add menu item. Okay, so for the label, I'll type in women so it's clear. Then for the link, click into collections and select the one premium collection and hit add. Now I also want to show you how to add a menu link that lets people view all your collections on one page. So let's click add menu item again. And for the label, I'll type all collections, and for the link, scroll down to collections and choose all collections. Just a quick update, let's go back to the earlier women menu item and double check that it's linked correctly. So instead of premium collection, let's switch it back to women's collection. And once everything looks good, click save. And now it's time for the fun part, customizing the collection page layout and design. So on the left side of your dashboard, click online store and click themes. So from here, click customize on your current theme. So this will take you into the theme editor. And once you're in, go to the top drop down where it says home page and switch it to collections. And inside that, click create template because we're going to build a special layout just for our women's collection. So let's name it women's collection. Select that, then click create template. Now we're inside the editor for this specific collection page. I'm going to leave the header as is for now. So instead, let's focus on the sections that appear below. And you'll see a lot of different blocks that you can use to customize the look. So let's start with collection list. So personally, I like this one because it shows several smaller collections in a grid. And it's a nice visual for shoppers. So once we added it, we can begin customizing it. Click into the first collection block, upload an image and rename it to Women Collection. Then select the actual collection from your store. Click Select Collection and choose Premium Cloth Collection. Now let's repeat that for two more. So for the second, I'll choose Premium Jacket Collection. And for the third one, let's go with New Arrivals. Once that's done, we've got a nice 3-block display showing different groups of women's products. Now let's add another section to give our customers more options. So click add section again. And this time choose Featured Collection. Now we'll pick a collection to highlight here. So I'll go with the women's collection, the one that we created earlier, and it will automatically show all the products from that group. You can also edit the heading for this section. So I'll change it to best selling to give it a more curated vibe. All right, now let's add a final touch, a slideshow to showcase top collections with nice banners and buttons. So click add section and choose slideshow. And then start uploading your images. So I already have some saved for this, so I'll go ahead and add them. And after the images are in, let's set the headings and buttons for the first slide. So I'll type Premium Cloth Collection. And for the button label, I'll type Buy Now. So for the second slide, let's type again Premium Jacket Collection, and again Buy Now for the button. And finally, for the third slide, let's set the heading to New Arrivals with the same Buy Now label. So if you want, you can also add subheadings to give each slide a little more context or promotional flair. So it's totally up to you and your brand style. All right, so once you're happy with how everything looks, let's go ahead and click Save and then click Exit to leave the editor. And now let's preview it all together. So go to your store, click on Women from the top menu, and there you go. This is your customized collection page in action. And as I mentioned earlier, Shopify also creates an automated page for all collections. So now click on All Collections next to Women. And then you'll see every collection that you've created in one clean, organized layout. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. So if you find this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or leave a comment below, and I'll see you on the next one.